Cybertron, our home. For generations, it has been a peaceful world, until pride and a lust for power divided us. Now we fight enemies who were once our brothers. Our tragic war has ravaged Cybertron.
It is a necessary war to return us to glory.
The Autobots will never sacrifice freedom.
The Decepticons will bring this world to order!
Our defeat would mean the end of everything.
My victory will mark a brilliant new beginning!
One shall stand.
One shall fall!
Civil war has ravaged Cybertron, homeworld to the Transformers for millions of years. Megatron, leader of the Decepticons, recently discovered an ancient power that will give him the edge to win over the hated Autobots. Called Dark Energon, this power remains locked away in an orbital station under the protection of a Sky Commander named Starscream.
Starscream wouldn't fight with such desperation if the legends weren't true!
Lord Megatron, you're certain it's here?
I am certain, Barricade. And when I find it, the balance of this war with the Autobots will finally tip in my favor! Lord Megatron! Stabilizers are failing! Maintain your heading, Brawl! Do not falter!
Sublight engines are offline. Shields at 15%.
Reroute all power to forward guns and thrusters. Full speed ahead!
But sir, that's suicide!
Any further objections? Ram this warship straight into the heart of that station!
To have survived that, Megatron.
The strong survive, the weak perish.
But Megatron, the ship's reactor core is failing. Explosion imminent.
Move, Decepticons! Double time!
The core's about to detonate!
Go!
It's falling apart! Watch out! Megatron, this way! Over here!
Starscream, and I have protected my station for over 1,000 years.
I am Megatron, leader of the Decepticons. This space station is Decepticon property. Surrender immediately.
Whoever you are, you've traveled a long way just to meet your doom.
Hail, Lord Megatron!
Do not speak unless spoken to.
It's Lord Megatron!
The honor is all yours.
Take out those sentry guns! They're tearing us apart! I hate those sentry guns!
There they are! Move ahead and cut them off in storage area Beta! Move, move!
Oh, look! The welcome wagon!
Weapons overheated!
Those fools mean to catch us in an ambush at the next door.
Fat chance. We can use that crane to reach the crash tunnel and flank them. Ambush their ambush. I like it.
Megatron, Soundwave here. Establishing the forward base.
Transmit your coordinates, Soundwave. And I want everything ready upon my arrival.
The ambush is set. They won't make it past us. I shall hold you to that, soldier. Yes, sir.
This is almost too easy.
Decepticons cannot be stopped!
Alert. Hostiles inbound.
There they are! Crush them!
Megatron, we await your arrival.
Megatron! I thought you'd be scrap metal by now. Your survival intrigues me.
I shall not be denied, Starscream. Surrender your Dark Energon program to me immediately!
Dark Energon? Are you mad? Dark Energon brings only death and chaos.
I am Count.
Megatron, when this is over, can I rip off Starscream's head and boot it into space?
Patience, Brawl. Starscream knows this station inside and out. We may get real used to it.
Megatron, your command post is 83.4% complete.
I expect it done when I arrive, Soundwave.
Wow, that's a pretty long drop.
Jump, you fool! There's nowhere to go but down! Now your attempts to harm me are even more laughable!
But, Megatron, how do we get out?
From here I can rain down destruction!
The intruders are here! Call in reinforcements!
Decepticons, mount those turrets! We'll cut them down with their own weaponry! All shall fall before Megatron! We got Onward! Through that door! I lost you! That's a mistake! Feel the Decepticons fall! Not as good as me, but not bad!
Weapons overheated!
Quit firing those rockets!
Pull back! Pull back!
Area is secured, Megatron.
Excellent!
Hail, Lord Megatron!
You want
It's an honor to serve you, Lord Megatron.
Megatron, I have unlocked your lift controls. Your command center awaits at the top.
For the glory of Cybertron! Hey, knock it off!
My name is Jetfire. I'm not here to fight.
That makes one of us. Speak your piece, quickly.
I've seen the horrors of what Dark Energon can do, Megatron. It is not to be trifled with. It's powerless, too unstable. To use it would mean disaster.
You cannot frighten me, Jetfire. I will use Dark Energon as I please.
You are a short-sighted fool. You'll kill us all!
You say that as if it were a bad thing.
I hope this Dark Energon stuff is worth it, Megatron.
Soundwave, report.
We have taken control of this portion of the station and established your base of operations. Scans indicate that Starscream has locked down all logical routes to the Dark Energon reactor.
And we're fresh out of Star Cruisers to tunnel our way.
Quiet. There must be another access point. We have to reach the station's next pod.
Megatron, I have located a nearby data metric center to reveal any alternate means of entry to the next pod. Advanced teams have already been set to clear a long path.
Then we have no time to waste.
I think I'm going offline.
These soldiers look pretty banged up.
Unacceptable. They should be victorious or dead.
They're putting up a good fight, all right.
Then put up a better fight!
Megatron, be aware that you face overwhelming odds against Starscream's soldiers. It is statistically unlikely that your advanced teams can defeat all of them. I shall await your word that you reach the data matrix center.
Decepticons ahead!
brilliant addition to my effort.
These cubes seem terribly outdated.
This entire station was created over 10,000 years ago. Much of its technology is antiquated and inefficient. I look forward to updating it. Now, with the presence of Megatron! Soundwave, we've located the holomap. I'm sending the data to you now.
Megatron, you may have gotten this far, but you'll never get your hands on the Dark Energon.
Starscream, this acrimony is needless. I know who you once were, Sky Commander, and that you were betrayed. With Dark Energon, I shall return Cybertron to its former glory, and you to yours, if you agree to serve me.
You're a fool! No one can control Dark Energon!
Take this!
Armored up! Let's go!
He takes overload!
Megatron, there's a route to the manufacturing plant nearby that Starscream has not yet blocked. Transmitting coordinates.
Excellent! Decepticons, lock this room down and await our return.
Exactly did they manufacture here?
Transport devices for Dark Energon. The ancients constructed special pods they could launch to any parts of Cybertron.
Megatron, according to my scans, the manufacturing plant is directly below your floor.
There's no exhaust coming from that vent! We can blast through to make an entrance!
Are you concerned at all driving into the belly of a furnace?
Aren't you concerned that I might tire of your pointless chatter? Those fans will split you in two. I can't use you if you're dead. Another instrument of my wrath.
Megatron, Starscream is alerted to your presence in the production facility. Expect resistance.
Soundwave reactivated it upon my orders. I have... What?
Heads up!
Snipers on the bridge, Megatron! Crush them!
All weapons cool!
Once I have enough Dark Energon online, I will use these canisters to transport it to Cybertron. The Autobot supplies will be total. I tire of these futile attempts to resist me. Dark Energon will be mine.
What makes you think you can control the Dark Energon when no one else has ever been able to?
Only the strong are worthy of such a weapon, Barricade. I am the strongest. And do not question me again. This will channel my rage. Cybertron.
Flyers inbound! Where do we go now, Megatron?
The damage looks old. It's been this way for a good while. But no weapon I know of could have done this.
I don't care what did it. Find a way across.
The hollow map indicates no damage to this area.
Yes, this is unexpected. The entire area lies in shambles. Decepticons cannot be stopped!
Swat that guy out of the air! They're sending in the flyers!
They're circulating here while I recharge!
Why Megatron shall lead!
Megatron, I have downloaded the station's log, transmitting history.
Fascinating. According to this, a quantity of dark energon became unstable, and the resulting explosion destroyed this part of the station.
Dark Energon did all of this?
Those fools had no idea how to control it. I'll not make the same mistake.
Weapons back online!
Quickly, jump to the other side!
Impossible! No one has ever survived to reach this place!
You shall soon learn, Starscream. I decide what is possible and what isn't.
Guards! Hold him off while I destroy the last of the Dark Energon remnants!
Let Starscream succeed! Do you hear me? I won't allow it!
Let's see if we can give this baby a second.
Initiated the destruction sequence!
Decepticons cannot be stopped!
This point, children!
This fate awaits all who oppose me! Containment field!
You arrogant fool! No one has ever survived direct contact! What? This isn't possible. No. No one can control Dark Energon. It dominates and destroys everything it touches.
I am the Dominator. I am the Destroyer. I am Megatron! Decepticons, receive your birthright.
I can feel the power. It's amazing.
Now, I shall deal with Starscream. Bow in the presence of Megatron! Dark Energon is mine to command. Through my will alone shall Cybertron be restored.
It's too unstable, Megatron. Using that power, you're endangering our entire world!
Teach me, Megatron. Teach me to wield Dark Energon the way you do, and I will serve you.
And what could you possibly offer me that I cannot simply take?
The supply of Dark Energon aboard this station is nearly exhausted. I know how to manufacture more. There was once an Energon bridge that fed this station directly. I know how to reconnect it.
Traitor! Zeta Prime will hear about this!
Shall I send Thundercracker and Skywarp to retrieve him? Lord Megatron?
No. I want the Autobots' leader to know his doom approaches. Once we have this station online, nothing can stop me. Now go. Find this Energon bridge and reactivate it for your new master.